ScanRelief AI is one of the most highly anticipated AI software releases, and if you're new to it, there are a few crucial things you need to know before diving in. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or just an AI enthusiast, this software could significantly change how you approach your work. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to cover the 7 most important things you absolutely must know about ScanRelief AI, and trust me, you'll want to hear this if you're considering giving it a try. First off, ScanRelief AI promises to be a game changer in the AI space, offering a range of features that streamline your workflow. What sets it apart from others is its unique ability to integrate seamlessly into your current systems. Unlike other tools that require a steep learning curve, ScanRelief has been designed with user-friendliness in mind. Whether you're a tech novice or an experienced user, you'll appreciate how easily you can get started without spending hours trying to figure things out. Another thing to note is ScanRelief's powerful scanning and analytics capabilities. It allows you to scan vast amounts of data, providing detailed insights that would take hours to gather manually. This means you can quickly analyze your market, competitors, and even track user behaviors across different platforms. The AI is capable of identifying patterns that you might miss, which can be crucial when optimizing your marketing campaigns or business strategy. When it comes to speed, ScanRelief AI is highly efficient. Whether you're running an analysis or processing data, it operates at lightning speed, allowing you to focus on what matters most, your decisions. This makes it ideal for marketers or businesses that need fast results without sacrificing accuracy. Plus, it integrates with all major platforms, making it incredibly flexible for various use cases. Now, what I really like about ScanRelief is its adaptability. It doesn't matter if you're working in e-commerce, content creation, or lead generation, ScanRelief AI can be tailored to fit your needs. You'll be able to automate tedious tasks, saving you hours of work every week. For marketers, the software can automate customer segmentation, predict trends, and even suggest adjustments to your campaigns. It's like having a personal AI assistant who's constantly learning from your data and helping you refine your strategies in real time. One feature that stands out is its ability to create predictive models. Using advanced machine learning algorithms, ScanRelief can forecast future trends and behaviors, helping you stay ahead of the curve. For example, if you're running a digital ad campaign, it can predict which ads will perform best, so you can maximize your budget and get better ROI. This predictive power is something you don't often find in other software in this space. If you're concerned about security, ScanRelief has you covered. It prioritizes data protection and uses state-of-the-art encryption to ensure your sensitive information stays safe. For businesses dealing with confidential client data, this feature alone can provide peace of mind, knowing that your information is being handled securely. And for those of you who are always on the go, ScanRelief is cloud-based, meaning you can access it from anywhere at any time. It's fully optimized for mobile use, so whether you're in the office or traveling, you can still get the most out of the software. This level of flexibility makes it an excellent option for remote teams or business owners who need to stay connected. Now, if you want to test this out for yourself, you can try ScanRelief AI completely free by clicking the first link in the description. It's a no-strings-attached trial, so you can explore its features without any commitment. I've tried thousands of AI software tools, and I can confidently say this one's worth checking out if you're looking for an AI solution that combines speed, intelligence, and security. To wrap up, if you're looking to enhance your workflows, automate tedious tasks, and make smarter business decisions, ScanRelief AI could be the tool you've been waiting for. Again, I've linked some of my other recommended AI software below that you can try for free. Don't miss out. Take advantage of these tools to stay ahead of the competition.